Hello students, let us do angle sum property by paper cutting method. Draw a triangle and mark each angle as angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Let us mark it in such a way so that we can cut the triangle into 3 different angles. See, now I have marked it as 3 different angles. I can cut it. Let me cut it with the help of a scissor. These are the 3 angles. After cutting the triangle, I have got it. Now see, let me place the angles. See, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. I have placed it. Can you see? What angle are they getting? What is the angle we are getting? We are getting one straight angle. The sum of the 3 angles is your 180 degree. So this shows that in any triangle, when we cut, we can get an 180 degree. Also, you can show this one. If this is the triangle and this is your angle 1, angle 2, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. This angle 2 and angle 3, we can place it over here. This is your angle 2. The same angle 2 is here. See, this is the angle 2. You can cut it from here. Another one. This is your angle 3. And this is your angle 3. I have put it over here. Now you can see you are getting one straight angle. The sum of the 3 angles is always equal to 180 degree. This is your angle sum property. Thank you.